Hello, Ali. Apkeseo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you're doing fine, doing good. Welcome to my stream, guys. I'm in Abu Dhabi. Who is in Abu Dhabi? Shukran, ya Galbi. Limit Russell. You're in Abu Dhabi? Where in Abu Dhabi? Abu Dhabi is a big place. There is in Maprak, there is in Banyas, there is in City, there is in Shabia, there is in Khalifa. This is all part of Abu Dhabi. We call it AUH. Crypto. Shukran guys for the follow. Oof. Join my team. Which team? Crypto. Ah, Hamdan. Too much far. So, I'm in Shabia. Yeah, I'm in Shabia. Al-Wada Mall. Me in Al-Wada Mall. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Wala good. How many people here is living in Shabia? Shukran. How many people here is living in Shabia? Huh? Oh, too much far. Yeah, too much far. For you, it's too much far. But when you see me, kalas. How much what? Ben chut, mother chut? Shoe how much? That's why I don't tell people where I'm living. If I say in Shabia directly, they will know. But you meet, I come Shabia. Kaliwali meeting. Mapipayda meeting. Mapipayda. No need to meet, guys. No need to meet, guys. Mapipayda. Shukran. Ben chut, mother chut. Usman. Haram court. Ahlan wa sahlan. Now again, instead of what is this? Mubasir now is working now. What Mubasir is doing? Mute. You Filipino? Do I look like I'm Filipino? Abdillah, shukran guys for the follow. Hi, Mahir. Guys, thank you so much for the follows, guys. Wallah. Say mashallah. Haram. Say mashallah. Paddy, thank you. Say mashallah. Padil. Mahir, thank you. Don't say someone beautiful. No. Say mashallah. Because if you only say you're beautiful, beauty will. So every time you will say positivity, say mashallah. Ahlan wa sahlan. I'm a chef. You come to the city. Come restaurant. Which restaurant? Which restaurant? No, Lash. Wala mahir. Ana malum. You should say mashallah. Near Al-Wada. Al-Wada is too much big. Where there in Al-Wada? Thank you for the follow, guys. Appreciate it, guys. I'm from your heart. Where are you from? I'm from your heart. MashaAllah. So, MashaAllah. La, it should be MashaAllah. Mahir. Kalas Mahir. Now I'm fighting with Mahir. Morocco. Assalamualaikum from Morocco. From Tunisia, from Maghribi. Assalamualaikum to all of you guys. Kaifa halik Sheikh Barak? Full face? La. Me, not beautiful. خلاص سيسي. Thank you guys for the follow. Appreciated. Shukran. Which team you want me to join? You mentioned join team. Which team you want me to join? Wait guys. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Oh my God. I died. I'm too much tired. Yala guys, let's drink coffee. Coffee is good. Ahlan wa sahlan. What? Yeah, I always put my hair so that I feel cute. Being cute is more good, you know. Guys, I will come back. I will just drink, ya Allah, water. Ahlan wa sahlan. Shukran. Kaliwali, silent. It's better you silent. Good evening guys. So do let me know if you have date for weekend. Who have date in weekend? Someone have date in weekend? Who have date in weekend? Who have date in weekend? No, nobody have date. La. Hihi. Haram. Salim, ana ma pi malum Arabic Salim.